to represent in this hallowed chamber. Until her death, Izene Comfort Izena was a philanthropist, an educationist, a community leader, and a great pillar of support to many indigent members of the society, whose education, welfare, and upkeep she took responsibility for. She was educated at St. Peter's School, Akoka, where she obtained her first school leaving school certificate, standard 6, when primary school education was highly rated before the outbreak of the Nigerian civil war in the 1960s. She is the mother of one of the illustrious sons of Akoka in Imo State, a businessman and a great philanthropist, Sir Chief Tony Izena Ijele Akoka, the founder of Orange Drugs Nigeria Limited. She worked as a fashion designer and helped in the training of young men who have a calling into the priesthood of the Roman Catholic Church. She is a founding member of Porter Kylie Sistine Monastery, Owerri, Akoka, Imo State. She has a nursery and primary schools where she provides free education for the poor and needy. She will be buried on the 15th of January 2026 in her home in Owerri, Akoka, in line with our traditional rites. In view of her immense contributions to her immediate community and the larger society, I crave the indulgence of the House to observe a minute silence in our honor as our custom is. Thank you, yours faithfully, Honorable Barrister Ikegonu Onyeye Oguchinyere Ikenga. Honorable colleagues, shall we please rise for a minute silence? House, leader of the House, please can you move for the House to adjourn by suspending
Mr. Speaker, point of order.
To move that the House do resolve to executive session. I so move.
Mr. Speaker, point of order. Mr. Speaker, point of order.
The revenue program for today.
Mr. Speaker, point of order.
Minority Leader, please can you...
Mr. Speaker, point of order.
Those against you say nay. That is how it. Leader, can you move for the House to adjourn to tomorrow, 11 a.m.?
Mr. Speaker.
Aye. Those against you say nay. There's a bit. House is adjourned to tomorrow,